The price of Bitcoin indicates that a typical power of 3, PO3, setup is at work, predicting a possible decline to $25,296. If the optimistic outlook holds, the price of Ethereum could attempt to reach $2,028. Swell Cost has set up an opposite head and shoulders arrangement, estimating a 10.76% expansion to $0.515. Investors were taken aback by the sudden rise in the price of Bitcoin, BTC, over the weekend. However, it is unclear whether this is a re-entry of sidelined buyers or a spurt in buying pressure. According to the cost activity, the reason for the increase is hazy and the negative standpoint made sense of in past articles is as yet legitimate. The Bitcoin, BTC, price is about to crash. On May 28, the price broke out of its 2-week consolidation and collected the buy-stop liquidity that was above the swing high from May 10 at $28,293. This liquidity run was before long followed by a retracement, which is in progress and signals a force of 3, PO3, arrangement in play. The three phases of this technical formation are accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. As the name suggests, the asset typically moves sideways in the first phase and is frequently manipulated by sweeping a critical level. Distribution, which results in volatile rallies in the opposite direction of manipulation, is the third or final phase. For Bitcoin's situation, BTC cleared a nearby top at $28,293 and is exchanging at $27,879, flagging the following move ought to lean toward bears. Bitcoin's price could reach the $25,764 support level to obtain the sell stop liquidity in the event that the setup is successful. Should the selling pressure continue even after this 7.6% downfall, BTC cost could raise a ruckus around town basic help level at $25,296. On the other hand, if the price of Bitcoin continues to hover above $28,051, it may attempt to extend the rally that began this past weekend. The bearish thesis would be invalidated if the move results in a reversal of the psychological level of $30,000. BTC could attempt to retest the $32,450 barrier in such a scenario. Ethereum value requirements to remain over this level. Ethereum cost has defeated the $1,817 obstacle and shot up 7% throughout the end of the week. At the time of writing, ETH is trading at $1,898, but it must remain above the $1,853 support level in order to resume its uptrend. On the other hand, investors should pay attention to $1,817 if the price of Ethereum breaches the $1,853 support level. The bullish thesis will be invalidated by Ethereum, ETH, and a correction to $1,703 may ensue. The price of Ripples has formed an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour chart, which is bullish in a confusing time. There are 3 swing lows in this technical formation, with the central one being lower than the other 2. The shoulders are the ones on each side, while the head is the one in the middle. A trend line connecting the peaks reveals the neckline, a declining resistance level. By adding the distance between the peak of the right shoulder and the lowest point of the head to the breakout point of $0.465, see chart below, this setup projects a 10.76% rise to $0.515. Ripple's price has not only broken through the neckline so far, but it has also risen nearly 4% to $0.481 today. The price of XRP could rise another 7.3% before it reaches the theoretical target if the bullish trend continues. If Ripple price cuts the neckline at $0.465, the inverse head and shoulders setup will be invalidated. The price of XRP could fall to the $0.442 low it reached on May 24 if this bearish outlook continues.